Hello, my name is Emma Cochran, and I am an occupational therapy student in Houston, Texas. Thank you for taking the time to watch this webinar I've created. In this video, exercises and stretches will be demonstrated that can be helpful for individuals who have been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease to remain active. These movements are all targeted to address the potential areas that Parkinson's disease can affect as the disease progresses. There is also a handout that includes all of these exercises for your reference as well. Staying physically active as you age is extremely important for everyone. Especially with Parkinson's disease, it's extremely important to remain physically active as the disease progresses. Shown here are a few of the areas that staying active can benefit. They include your balance and mobility in your home and community, reducing your risk of falling, and helping slow the progression of Parkinson's disease and managing the symptoms you experience. The exercises highlighted in this video are basic movements that are targeted to address the areas of your body and the movements that may become affected as Parkinson's disease progresses. In this video, a picture of the exercises with the description will be provided, as well as a video demonstration of each exercise. All these exercises can be modified to fit your own needs. If you have any injuries or pain while completing these exercises, you should stop immediately. These exercises provided are to assist with your mobility and should not cause pain or hinder your abilities. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with exercise 1 here. In this exercise, you will pull your chin straight back and hold for a count of 5. The next slide here will show a video demonstration of this exercise. As you can see in this video here, you will pull your chin straight back. This exercise is helpful to work on the movements and the muscles in your neck to prevent stiffness from occurring. Exercise 2 begins by clasping your hands together and then straightening up your arms to raise over your head. Hold this for a count of 5 seconds. You can see this movement here in this video. Exercise 3. First begin by placing your hands behind your neck, like shown here in the image. Slowly spread your elbows apart from each other and hold for a count of 5. You can see the exercise here in this video. You really want to focus on bringing your shoulder blades together when you spread your elbows apart. This can be a useful stretch, but also can strengthen the muscles in your back. Exercise 4. In this exercise, you're going to begin by placing your arms next to your side and bend your elbows. Next, pull your elbows back and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold this position for a count of 5 seconds. Here is a video demonstration of this exercise. Really focus on bringing your shoulder blades together when you pull your elbows back to strengthen the back muscles. Exercise 5 shown here is done while laying down. It is recommended to complete this while laying on your bed. Start by laying onto your back with your knees bent and place your arms out to the side. Turn your head over to the right and allow both of your legs to fall over to the left side. Hold this for 5 seconds and then repeat onto the other side. Shown here in the video is a step-by-step for this exercise. Start with sitting and then lay back with your knees bent. Place your arms out to the side. As you let your knees fall to one side, turn your head to face the opposite direction. You should hold this position for 5 seconds and should feel a stretch in your neck and side. Exercise 6 here is also done in the laying down position. For this exercise, begin by laying on your back with both knees bent and feet flat. Tighten your stomach muscles and raise your hips. Hold for a count of 5. You can see this exercise in the video demonstration here. This is a good exercise for strengthening your core and glute muscles. Exercise 7. Start by laying on your back with your knees bent. Allow your knees to fall out to the side and bring them back together. Shown here is a video demonstration of this exercise. This is good for strengthening the muscles of your inner thighs and hips. Exercise 8 is also done in the lying down position. Start with lying on your back with your knees bent. Bring your left knee to your chest and extend the right leg down towards the bed. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat on the other side. Here is a video demonstration of this exercise. Try your best to keep the straight leg down onto the surface you are laying on. Exercise 9 can also be completed while laying down or sitting in a chair. Extend your right leg forward. Make circles with your right foot. Move one way and then the other. Do 5 circles each direction. Repeat with the left foot. Here is a video of this exercise. This is an important exercise to maintain mobility in your ankles. Exercise 10 is done while sitting in a stable chair with armrests. Start by sitting in the chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands on the armrests. For your safety, place the chair you use against a wall to reduce the potential risk of the chair from tipping over. With your hands on the armrests, straighten your elbows to lift your bottom off of the chair. Keep most of your body weight in your arms. Hold for a count of 5. Here you can see a video demonstration of this exercise. This exercise can be beneficial to build strength in your arms. Exercise 11 is shown here and can be completed with the same sturdy chair you utilized in the previous exercise. While standing, hold onto the stable object and slide one foot back until your leg is straight. Lean your weight onto the front leg and bend your knee. Hold for a count of 5. Here is a video demonstration of this exercise. For this next one, while standing, hold onto a stable object. Rise onto your toes, lifting your heels off the floor. Carefully rock back onto your heels, lifting your toes off the floor. Do 5 raises in each direction. The exercise is shown here in the video clip. Make sure to be holding onto a stable surface while completing this for your safety. This exercise is helpful with your ankle mobility. Exercise 13 is done while sitting in a chair. With both feet on the floor, cross your arms and raise them to shoulder height. Twist to the right and hold for a count of 5. Twist to the left and then hold for a count of 5. Here is a video demonstration of this exercise. Exercise 14 can be completed while sitting in a stable chair. With both feet flat on the floor and your arms by your side, bend to one side and hold for a count of 5. Repeat this on the other side. Here is a video demonstration for this exercise. When completing this one, make sure not to bend to the side too much where you could potentially lose your balance. This exercise is good for strengthening the core muscles. Exercise 15 can be a good stretch for your hamstring muscles. While sitting in a chair with both feet on the floor, extend one leg forward. Keeping your knee straight, gently bend forward towards your toes and hold for a count of 5. Repeat with the other leg. Shown here is a video demonstration of this stretch. Make sure not to lean too far forward, just enough to where you feel a stretch of the muscles on the back of your legs. Exercise 16 is a good stretch for the muscles of your hips. Keeping these muscles mobile can help with your mobility. While sitting in a chair with both feet on the floor, Bring one leg up to your opposite knee. Hold for a count of 5, and then repeat on the other side. Shown here is a video demonstration of this exercise. Exercise 17 is shown here. Start by placing both hands out in front of you. Turn one palm up and the other palm down. Repeat for 10 repetitions. Here is a video demonstration of this exercise. Exercise 18 is good to maintain the mobility in your wrist. Placing both hands out in front of you, make circles with your hands by moving your wrists. Move in one direction and then the other in the opposite. Repeat for 5 repetitions. Here is a demonstration of this exercise. Exercise 19 is also important for maintaining the mobility in your wrists. Placing both hands out in front of you, bend one wrist up to the ceiling and the other down to the floor. Alternate this position for 10 repetitions. Here is a video demonstration of this exercise. Exercise 20. Begin with placing both hands out in front of you. Open one hand and make a fist with the other. Alternate this position for 10 repetitions. Here is a video of this exercise. If needed, you can slow the speed in which you complete this exercise, holding each position for more time. Exercise 21 is good for finger dexterity. Placing both hands out in front of you, touch your thumb to each finger one at a time. Repeat for 5 repetitions. Here is a video of this exercise. Like the previous exercise, you can slow your speed of completing this exercise if needed. The exercises shown in this video can also be modified if you need. This can be done by reducing the amount of repetitions or the hold time. If these exercises become too easy for you, they can also be made more difficult by increasing the repetitions or hold time. You also do not have to complete all of these exercises at one time right away. If needed, choose a few that you are able to do and work up to completing all of the exercises. Thank you for taking the time to watch this webinar, and I hope these exercises are beneficial to you.